Hi guys. So one of the best tried and tested ways in which you can create a new list and maybe find companies to reach out to, find people from those companies for your outbound is finding lookalikes, right? So if there's a set of companies that you were able to provide crazy value for, or your platform is working very well for them, you can try to find their lookalikes and pitch similar solutions or similar values to those companies. And also there's an inherent sense of competitiveness, like if this will depend on a case to case basis if you really want to mention the company or not, but in most cases if you mention, okay, X company is using us for their outbound or something like that, the competitor Y would be interested to at least explore the platform. So based on this logic, we have two ways in which you can find company lookalikes. In this video I'll be majorly showing you company lookalikes as a source. So this is sort of like a manual setup. If you want to automate this, there will be a playbook which walks you through the company lookalikes as a well, like if you ever want to find company lookalikes inside the grid itself as an automated workflow. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can find that as a source. So just head over to new grid here and you'll find an option to find company lookalikes. If you click on this, it majorly requires just a few parameters. The company URL, which is the only required parameter, to be very honest. The one that you want to find the lookalikes for, just pass the URL. For now, maybe I'll pass something like scrut.io, right? And in location, which location you want to focus on. So in our case, United States work for us. And any specific keywords. So sometimes what will happen is there might be a customer experience company and which also operates in the CRM space, right? A CX company that also operates in the CRM space. Now, when you find the lookalikes for these companies, usually the database will map both of these keywords, and you might be only looking for the customer experience companies, but you might end up getting some CRM companies as well. If that works for you, crazy, amazing. But in case you want to avoid those companies, you can like give more emphasis, more bias to the customer experience part, which you can pass as a company keywords here. For now, in this case, I don't really need anything. And in industries, you can like specify. In most cases, it would be from the most appropriate industry only. But in case there's a real estate platform, right? And it might like in turn end up giving you lookalikes from like local real estate companies as well, because they fall in a similar demographic. In those cases, you could specify computer software as an industry here to find the most appropriate ones. Employee size range is also an option. You can set that for, as well. And other than that, yeah, fairly simple, nothing too complicated. As a matter of fact, I will put an employee size range here because that is actually helpful for us also. Oh, and by the way, this is multi-select, so you can put in as many ranges as you want. Okay. And number of results 100 works for now. I'll just import that into new grid. Case in point, it's the charge for this action is 1 credit per company. Wait, yeah. So the charge for this like import is a credit per company. So for finding 100 companies would be 100 credits, simple exchange. But yeah, so yeah, these seem like very relevant companies. GRC, Sprinto, Azimuth. And like these are companies that operate in the compliance GRC space, Vanta, right, Drata. So super good, I would say. So yeah, this is how you can import this. As soon as you import, you will have a pre-made enriched company, what do you call, enrichment available as a column. Now this is probably going to be from Contact Out because that is one of the cheaper providers out there, and we are aware you've already spent some credits trying to find the company's lookalikes. So you might not want to spend extra credits just getting their live data from their LinkedIn. So in that case, you can do this. But if you want to focus on accuracy, I would recommend replacing this with the LinkedIn enrichment. So yeah, this is what I majorly wanted to show you. You have a ready-made list. I was working on a list today, so maybe I'll walk you through that as well as how you can kind of set up the next steps for something like this. So, right. I just went ahead and used the contractor enriched company only. I got the overview, revenue, and size. And based on some conditions, I'm finding some people. So, for example, if the company size is more than 50, I'm first trying to find the head of sales, head of marketing. And if you're not able to find those roles, then based on whether we are able to find anything or not, we're setting up another find people from which we are trying to find VP and C-suite level personnel from sales and marketing domains. And if nothing is found there, then we go into the champion arena where we try to find out SDRs, BDR. Then everything is flowed into a contact level grid here where we can then find the phone numbers and emails, which I have already set up, and then simple outreach. This you can also club our copy generation capabilities here. So you can like create custom copies. You already have an intent of their competitor using you. So in that case, you can lay emphasis there or maybe mention that as an opener. And the value prop, we have talked this multiple times in a lot of our videos, how you can automate a value prop generation and how you can utilize the bit agent for that. So do check those videos out. And I think you can set up a pretty neat workflow that can handle your outbound as well as any AI SDR out there. Even better, I would say, since you can visualize everything every step of the way. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our support channel is always open. Cheers. Bye.